So, guys, in this session, we'll be learning about the golden rules of accounting. There are three golden rules of accounting, and these three rules are associated with the personal account, real account, and nominal account, respectively. So, let's understand them. The first rule is associated with the personal account. It is debit the receiver and credit the giver. So, whenever you're receiving something, you will debit the account, and whenever you're giving something, you will credit the account. Let's understand this with an example. For example, you paid rent of rupees 15,000 to Nakul. So Nakul is an individual over here and he will come under personal account. In your books, you will pay rupees 15,000 from your cash account and you will pay it to Nakul's account. And since this transaction is with a personal account, you will debit the receiver and credit the giver, and hence you will debit rupees 15,000 to Nakul's account and credit rupees 15,000 to your cash account. Since Nakul is the receiver, you will debit 15,000 from his account, and since you are paying the money, you will credit 15,000 rupees to your cash account. The next rule is when you do a transaction with a real account, that is when you're dealing with assets and liabilities or the asset account and the liability account. So whenever something comes into your business, you will debit the account, and whenever something goes out of your business, you will credit the account. That is, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Let's understand this with an example. Let's say you purchased furniture worth rupees 10,000 from ABC Limited. So furniture is an asset for you and your assets account will increase, or you can see your furniture account will increase. In your books it will be rupees 10,000 from cash account since you have paid from cash account, and furniture will come under furniture account. And since this transaction is with a real account, you will follow the rule debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Since furniture, that is assets, have come in, you will debit rupees 10,000 to furniture account and you will credit rupees 10,000 to cash account. And if assets have gone out, that is you had sold some assets, in that case you will credit to your furniture account and debit to your cash account. So whenever something comes in, you will debit that account, and whenever something goes out, you will credit that account. Next, when you do a transaction with a nominal account, that is, whenever you deal with expenses and income, you will follow the rule debit the expenses and losses and credit the income and gains. For example, let's say you purchase goods worth rupees 3,000 from XYZ. So rupees 3,000 is an expense for you. So according to this rule, debit the expenses and credit the income. Since it was an expense for you, you will debit rupees 3,000 to your purchase account and you will credit rupees 3,000 to your cash account. And in the other way, if you had sold goods worth 3,000 rupees, in that case, you would have credited rupees 3,000 to your sales account and debited rupees 3,000 to your cash account. So whenever you have any expense, you will debit the account, and if it is an income, you will credit the account. So guys, that is it in this video. In this video, we learned about the golden rules of accounting. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching.